Nurse manager, I'm a bit nervous about handling babies for vaccinations. I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly.
It's understandable to feel nervous, especially when dealing with young children. Remember, Mihira, practice makes perfect.
What are some tips for handling babies gently and safely?
First, ensure the baby is calm and comfortable. Talk softly to them and offer a pacifier if needed. Support their head and neck firmly while holding them in a way that makes them feel secure.
I'm worried about accidentally hurting the baby.
It's important to be gentle, but don't be afraid to hold the baby firmly. A gentle touch can help the baby feel safe and secure.
What if the baby starts to cry or struggle?
Mihira, try to remain calm and reassuring. If the baby is crying, talk softly to them and offer a pacifier. You can also gently stroke their back or head to help them feel soothed.
Mihira, I completely understand that having a pacemaker can feel incredibly overwhelming, but I want to reassure you that you are in very safe hands. These devices are exceptionally reliable, designed with advanced technology that doctors have trusted for decades, and serious complications are incredibly rare. It is completely natural to worry about the battery, but it is built to last for several years, and when the time eventually comes, replacing it is a straightforward, routine procedure. Having a pacemaker doesn't mean you have to stop living your life. In fact, it is there to give you your freedom back. Most people go right back to their normal, active routines, enjoying the hobbies, walks, and daily moments they love, just with a little extra support keeping their heart in a perfect rhythm. You are going to be just fine, and this little device is simply a quiet partner helping you live fully and safely every single day.